Hello, good morning guys. Nandito na po kami sa area na babaklasin namin ng scaffold. Kaway-kaway muna dyan sa mga Bantilaw boys. Yeah, toolbox meeting muna po kami. Ngayon, may bisita po kami. Yan.
Alam, nasa upload na nga yan eh.
Talaga naman, nakaano ba eh? Baka makulong! Papasok niyo sa kanya ito, di ba? Ganda talaga yung import. Ibili na rito yun.
Toolbox meeting muna, perma muna.
Nakaperma lahat?
Hindi pa.
Wala.
Dahil pa nakapila.
Pila?
Pila balde.
Yan na. Hindi rin na. Nagkatama din. Para maalala. Ito na po eh.
Ano po yung babaklasin namin?
So, yan na.
Maya.
Lover boy ng...
Oh, galing. 3:30 ka lang? Alam naman. Ano ka? Ha? Grocery? May appointment ka? Bukas. Manunumpa ka na.
Yan na.
Nanumpa na mo na, no?
Puta na mga nakaitim na. Yun na, puta. Ayun na si Albularyo. Puta, manggagamot na ito, manggagamot.
Parang puta, para ililipin pagbaro na. Ay, napit. Amerikano, ganun din pag-Pilipin eh. Amerikano. Pwede.
Kasama na kami niya. Ito? Hindi pa yata. Dami-dami. Dami yun. Bago kahirap at nadidinis sa dami. Kaya gawin yung mga anak mo. Ano din lang sa bunga.
Ano po ang forklift namin?
Naka-letter yun lang. Kari paikot. Paikot na. Isang ilgawin malaki. Sa may loading.
Pasok plus manong muna eh. Sabi niyo wala.
Manang Giovanni pala. Manang Giovanni pala nandiyan.
Tapos na ang laban.
Tapos na. So yan na. Champion na.
Basta na, kaperma lahat.
Okay, mamaya na yan. Toolbox muna.
Hindi, perma nyo muna, para lang makatakas.
May naka-fold na yan.
Ano yung nakatupi na yan?
Marker. Na hindi makita.
Bilis ko lang.
He is Malcolm. Good morning, mate. Yeah.
Your house. 4 days straight.
4 days. Roger. Oh, for money.
We are here in the toolbox meeting.
Walang pa rin yata.
Who's this guys? The complete girl. Putang reading na si Parental Butay. Lopet.
Smells a bit fucking hot, right? You fucking ringing it out, coming up here.
No, it's cruising, bro. It's too noisy. I'll wake the whole neighborhood up.
May dayo, naka blue helmet.
Yeah, saya ano nga opisina.
you want me to get them for you today? Bring them up.
Pala, ilang araw na pala doon eh.
Oo, nahiya naman ako ulit.
Yeah, I've been here for a long time, but every time I come in, you're not there.
Because gustong gusto niya mga dong.
Yeah, it was dirty anyway.
Yan, kakasali dyan. Tuloy na lang para makita.
Ouch.
Ayaw pagitnaan na naman. Check na lang, check.
The one is ready for complete gear, ha? He is Elias's.
Oliver, what are you filming, mate?
Sa video,
He's a vlogger.
Kaninang vlog lang, dalawa. It's not
Heaps of funny. Alright, fellas, I'll just have a quick word. I got asked to come here because the safety boss, who knows? I don't need to come here and tell you what you're doing. You already know what you're doing. My main thing is that we can always do an amazing job for 5-10 years. We do something wrong and everybody talks about it and everybody knows. So communication is the key here, right? Hand to hand stuff. You know how it all works. But Livingston safety, Greg, everyone's going to come visit here today. So just make sure you're doing the right thing. I know you all know what you're doing. I don't need to tell you all that. Just make sure we don't have any incidents. Keep all your PPE on. 100% hook up. Make sure no one's walking in drop zones underneath loads or anything like that. You guys all know the drill. Alright. I was going to say, Peter, you can just have your spiel in Tagalog, but now Mel's here, you might need a yeah. But yeah, have a good day, have a safe day. If you need anything, let me know. I know that the goal here is to try and get it down. I wouldn't worry too much about that. I don't care what anyone else says, but I mean, you just do it as long as it takes. Takes as long as it takes. Right. So, what is the plan? Is it?
Alright, just let you know everyone in here. I just let you know the building is brand new. New paint, no, not brand new. New painted, new roof, new windows. Be careful. Hopefully not happen before like smash the windows. Hopefully it's not happen. Alright, heaps of times. You know, and yeah, good communication and be careful on the forklift because forklift every time is moving. Move the stillage, everything. And then the planning scaffold, we strip 3 sides for now and then tomorrow just loading bay and gida. But we need to start the hard one, this side. Before we start, we need to close all the entrance for someone's coming in the building or someone's, and all the groundy. Make it sure if you see someone's coming in our job, please say stop or say in the top, say hold. You know, make it vigilant, make it something like that. Yeah, very careful, very make it easy. No rush. Because the building is really brand new. I don't want to be like incident again or smash the windows again. Painted, new painted and waterproof every level. It's it's done. It's for a waterproof. Make it sure don't put some gears in the building. Because Livingston's really strict about the fucking things. Don't put the gears in the building. And yeah. Before we start, we need to close all the entrance and then no one coming in our job. Yeah, forklift, need a spotter before removing to be sure. And all the trucks, when the stillage is full, you can load the truck and you can start to bring it there. And don't mix it. Making sure the stillage is the same length and making sure it's in the middle. And be careful on the legs, but our legs is already done, right? All is the same. Yeah. yeah, good communication, work at the heights, PP. Well,
No, that's very good. So,
yeah.
if by any chance that anyone does knock something, I mean, accidents happen. Don't be too scared to say, just, I mean, look, everybody's just pointed out smashed windows, so at the end of the day, accidents do happen. But we'll try our best not to let that happen, but if you scratch anything or do anything, I mean, right now, if it's a bit of a scratch paint, we could have someone paint that, we could keep stripping. We could just leave that area and someone could come in and fix that and we can keep going. But you don't want to bring it all down and then see something up there afterwards. And like he said, the membrane that's been put on each floor, that's supposed to last this building 20 years. So putting any gear on it or anything like Peter already said, could damage the integrity of it. So, all good.
Yeah.
Any questions?
All good? Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
First thing to do, close and with all the access first.
So you can
Yes, yes.
Okay guys, tapos na po yung toolbox meeting namin. Sinabi lang po kung ano mga danger dito sa babaklasin po namin. Pinagbabawal po kasi ang crush kasi po bago pong pintura yung building. Bawal po magasgasan, matuklap yung pintura. At yung mga window po bawal po mabasag. Yan po yung babaklasin namin. May loading bay po yan. Yan. Fix lang po yung babaklasin namin. Yan po yung building na babaklasin namin. Yan. Malaki po yan, paikot po yan. Kasi last week po, dismantle namin yung Block B. Ito po isang building na to. Ay isang kasama po namin, nakabasag po ng window. Kaya po yun, bayad po kami lahat. Ambagan po kami. Para magawa lang at di kami masira sa client. Hello guys. Thank you po.